Morning, everyone. It's around 7:30, September 27th at Davis Auto Sales. We're getting ready to open up for the day. Follow us around while we open up here. Showroom number 2, loaded with cars. Open this gate here. Over here and unlock showroom number 1. Excuse me, showroom number 3. I get them confused sometimes. Sorry for the confusion in here. Most time we've got them stacked in here pretty nice. But we were getting ready for the storm that might be coming in the rain, so we kind of just put everything in here as quickly as we could. If y'all see most of the videos, everything's kind of a little bit more organized than it is right now, but we hope wherever y'all are, if y'all have been in the storm's path, that it has passed and that y'all are safe. And our prayers go out to all of those that got devastated by the storm. As you can see, everything is just kind of stuffed in here right now. And I hope you all have a great day. We're going to try to get something done today, some videos. As much as we can, maybe before the rain. Thank you all for joining us. Give us a call, 804-271-0030. Go to davis4x4.com. or join us at Davis Drives on YouTube. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.